Okay, now one of the key challenges therefore for Kashmir after Baisaran is to get the tourists back, because tourism has become a lifeline for the Kashmir economy. Today I'm joined by a group of hotel operators, tourist operators to tell me how that's going to happen. Thank you all very much first for joining me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And share our gloom, what has happened actually.
You're saying gloom. Is the gloom because business is down, or gloom is because...
In Baisaran, we are actually heartfelt condolence to the families, and this is not Kashmir, what has happened there.
So what has shaken you is the fact that innocent tourists have been targeted. Honeymooners...
Unfortunately, 26 families from different parts of our country, unfortunately, they will never forget Kashmir. Their families will never forget Kashmir. It's a big blot on Kashmiri. And we take it very seriously, and we are ashamed of it. But in the end, it's not in our hands.
And this is shared by all of you. Each and every one of you saying this is about insaniyat, it's not about business. It's not about business. ऐसा नहीं है कि business हमारा चला गया इसलिए.
बिजनेस तो होता रहता है बिजनेस.
It is just insaniyat of humanitarian.
First time यहाँ पर हड़ताल हुआ है because of killings. This is history has become this. पहली बार, और आप ये देखेंगे डाउनटाउन शहरी का उन लोगों ने हड़ताल किया जिनको टूरिज्म के साथ दूर दूर का वास्ता नहीं है. In downtown, complete downtown, Jammu was banned, Shahri Khas was banned, even Kargil and Ladakh people joined this.
You head the Pahalgam Hoteliers Association. You all were investing big time in hotels.
First of all, it's a very unfortunate event and inhuman event has taken place. There are around, say, 2,000 rooms coming up in Pahalgam, and it will be a big blow to those people. They have taken loans, they have put in there every jo bhi unne kamaya hoga lifetime mein, they have put in there. It's half complete, I think.
So this was terrorism trying to, in one way, destroy Kashmir's economy.
In the last 35 years, you must have not seen people coming on the roads. Not for being apologetic or ashamed, I must say. We are in anger. We are as angry as any citizen of this country. Because these are our fellow countrymen. We share the same pain. And more so over, there are so many young entrepreneurs that had been investing a lot. People coming from different parts of the world back home to invest.
An attempt was made to make it Hindu versus Muslim, and innocent Hindus were killed. That, has led to fear in different parts. You have a lot of Maharashtrians, Gujaratis coming here, and
but it was the Kashmiris, the pony wala, the dandi wala, the taxi wala, who got them from the Baisaran and helped them to the hospital.
So there are there are also reports that some locals could have been involved in helping the terrorists. You're very clear, whoever is involved has to be given the maximum punishment, right? There is no sympathy at all. No one has any sympathy anymore.
No sympathy at all.
No, none whatsoever.
Violence is not now accepted in Kashmir.
You're saying violence will not be accepted in Kashmir?
Yes.
Because for 35 years, Kashmir has been...
suffered a lot because of this violence.
Okay, what's the way forward? You all are hoteliers, you all have invested. The economy of Kashmir depends on them. What's the way forward? Do you see kuch to light hai ki nahi at the end of the tunnel?
Yeah, of course. We have a full faith on Government of India. We have a full trust on them.
We need their support. Have the last 5 years given a sense of normalcy? Ye baar ka normalcy aa rahi hai. Tourism benefited from peace, right?
Of course, it benefited.
So what do you want the Government of India to do now?
We have complete faith and trust on them. They will help us to revive the tourism. We have to gain the faith. We have to gain the trust.
Rajdeep, I must add.
Yes.
Tourism is not only about the economics of it. It is a bridge between the Kashmiri people and the rest of the country.
That's a good point.
So we are not asking for tourists to come back just for the economics of it, but this is the bridge that connects Kashmiris with the rest of the country.
That alienation factor will be gone if the moment people come in.
People come here from different states and then we meet them and there are cultural, they share their cultural differences.
But how do we overcome the fear factor? लोग तो डरे हुए हैं. How do you overcome fear?
This is what the terrorists want. That is why they separated the people, because they want to dilute the social fabric of this country.
Make it Hindu, Muslim, make it Kashmiris.
That was their job. Terrorists had this job to dilute this. But I would request from this medium to every citizen of this country, Kashmir is yours and it is your time now to prove that Kashmir is yours. Not only Kashmir, but Kashmiris are yours.
So the way to defeat terror is actually to come to Kashmir and celebrate what Kashmir is about, right? Atul Kulkarni, the Maharashtrian actor, was here last week, a few days ago. He has spoken out. Would you like all celebrities, people of influence to come to Kashmir? And that's the way to defeat terror, right?
Absolutely. People should come across. I mean, even the Hollywood, they should come to this place and tell rest of the India this Kashmir is safe. And I'll tell you, Rajdi, one thing. Kashmir is crown of India. I mean, there are people who want to, disturb this peace. So we want to tell every Indian, you come to this place and defeat those elements who want to disturb the peace over here in Kashmir.
मिस्टर राजदीप मैं आपको एक चीज बोलूंगा अगर इंडिया के लोगों को चाहिए अगर 10 को आना चाहिए अब 100 को आना चाहिए if they want to beat this terrorism they have to come.
But how will you give them that sense of security?
We are here for them. What do you say? We are on the roads.
How will you
Every
hold
Kashmiri woman, man is on the roads for the people of India.
How will you fight terror though? You see, these terrorists have had the gun, and in the past they have tried to defeat civil society by fear. Atang phailana hai. That's their job. You're saying defeat fear by coming here in larger numbers.
Yes.
If there was any sympathy at all for militancy, or it's gone.
Zero, minus. Everybody is opposite them. Now enough is enough. अब हमें अपने हिसाब से रहने दे दीजिए.
Yes.
And we are all Indian.
For how many days you have been here?
For 2 days.
For 2 days. What do you find, sir? Should the tourists come here or not?
I am very clear, sir. The best way, and I'm going to say that to the camera. Yes. I believe the best way to defeat the terror factory is to show them that there is no fear. Yes. Which is why tourists should come to Kashmir in even greater numbers and show them that we are not afraid of you. That's the way out. Right? Sahi hai na? Okay. Good. I hope that all our celebrities out there in particular will become brand ambassadors for this Naya Kashmir. And I hope that your industry grows further. How much employment do you provide? Do you have any figure? How many people are employed in Kashmir? Highest employment generation in Kashmir is tourism.
Tourism.
3 lakh directly and indirectly 30 lakh people.
3 lakh directly, more than 30 lakh indirectly in Kashmir in a population of about 80 lakhs are connected with tourism. I'm going to move from here to another part of Srinagar.